If you're experiencing issues with your DoorDash transfers remaining in a pending state, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your bank account information. Ensure that the bank account linked to your DoorDash account is correct. Log into your DoorDash account and navigate to the payment settings to verify that all details are accurate. Step 2. Review transfer limits. Check if you have reached any transfer limits set by DoorDash or your bank. Sometimes transfers can be delayed if you exceed these limits. Look for any notifications or alerts regarding your transfer status. Step 3. Update the app. Make sure that you are using the latest version of the DoorDash app. Outdated versions may have bugs that can cause issues with transfers. Update the app through your device's app store and try again. Step 4. Contact DoorDash support. If the issue persists, reach out to DoorDash customer support. Provide them with details about your pending transfers, and they can assist you in resolving the issue more effectively. Step 5. Wait for processing. Sometimes transfers may take longer due to bank processing times. If everything seems correct and you have contacted support, give it some time. Transfers can take up to a few business days to process. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue with pending transfers on DoorDash. If problems continue, keep in touch with customer support for further assistance.